Hello and welcome to the Barber Home series. My name's Becca and today we're going to be doing a creative ballet session inspired by Degas' sculpture Grand Arabesque. This session is designed for complete beginners, so don't worry if you haven't done any ballet at all before, you're going to be absolutely fine. But if you have done some ballet before, then perhaps you could teach and help the other people in your household and show them how to do it. So yeah, really do just do this at your own pace and in the way that feels good for you today. I'm actually pregnant at the moment, so I'm going to be doing things in the way that feels best for my body. Perhaps you've got loads of energy and you want to really go for it today. That's great. Or you can stick with me, whatever feels best for you. This is a video that's part of a series of 3 different short films. This is the warm-up video, and then there's also another 2, one called Creative Dance Game, and then the next one is Taught Ballet Dance. And they all kind of fit together, so you could do this one and then any of the other 2 or both of them. It's completely up to you. If you do get involved and do all the videos, it'd be lovely to see some pictures and some film of you dancing at home. So perhaps you could send us something and we could share it on social media. I've set up my space carefully today, just moving the furniture out of the way and also any valuable or precious items to make sure that I don't bump into anything, break anything or hurt myself, anything like that. So in a few minutes, perhaps you can pause the video and just sort out your space to make sure that it's going to be good for dancing. I've also put on comfortable clothing to move in as well, so I suggest that you do the same. Maybe sportswear, or I don't know, perhaps you've got a fancy ballet costume at home. It's up to you. I think that's probably everything that I need to say. Make sure you've got a drink of water on hand just in case you do get a bit warm. Have fun, enjoy yourselves. Pause the video if you want to have a bit of time to process something, or if you want to have a look at something again, you can pause it and rewind it. I'm going to get ready for the warm-up now. If you need to clear your space, then now you could pause your video to do just that, and I'll see you in a sec. So we're going to begin our warm-up by rubbing our hands together. That's it, nice and fast. And then the back of the hands. And then all along one arm. You can just follow me. It's like you're washing, I suppose, and the other arm. Good. Now, drawing a smiley face across your chest. And then your tummy. You can go a bit faster than me there. And then down one leg. All the way to your toes and the other. Right, so if that was giving ourselves a wash, now we're covered in soap. So we've got to shake it off. Shake it off your hands. Good. Then shake it off one leg. Then shake it off the other leg. How good is your balance? Can you stand on one leg and draw circles with your toe? Try the other side. Lovely. Now imagine you've got a big hula hoop and we're warming up our hips. This is a funny one, isn't it? Go the other way. That's it, draw in circles. Good. Now hands on your shoulders, draw circles with your elbows. Bend and stretch your knees. Make sure your knees go in a straight line forwards, not knocking in. Good. Now standing still and turn your head to the side. One way then the other. Lovely. Good. Now, how high can you reach up? Stretch up and bend down low. Touch the floor. Again, stretch up high and bend down low. Touch the floor. Now stretch wide. Could you touch the walls? And narrow. And again, stretch wide. Try and touch the walls and narrow. Marching on the spot. Follow me. Marching on the spot. Can you go a bit faster? Stay on the spot, but keep lifting your knees up. Can you go faster? Can you start running? And faster, and faster, and faster. Well done. Good. Well, I hope you're feeling a little bit warmer after all of that. I certainly am. Don't forget that that's just the warm-up video, and we've got 2 more videos that you can join in with. So have a look and see if you can join in with the creative dance game and also with the taught ballet sequence. If you do these videos, it'd be lovely to see some photos of you joining in, or perhaps a little clip of footage. And I hope to see you again soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.